everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. Today I created this style of hairstyle for party wear. So let's get started into the video. First comb your hair thoroughly that there are no tangles. Next, I take a middle partition from my forehead. Okay, like so. Okay, in that middle partition, I take right side from bunch of hair. Okay, and I am twisted it. Okay, in the side, next bunch of hair and twist again it. Okay, next these two are mixed and twist again. Okay, next take a tic tac pin and fix it at the back side. And again we'll do same process. Take some bunch of hair and twist it and pin it back side. Okay, we will do same procedure in the left side also. Okay, this is the upper part of hair. Okay, next we will do the back hair. Okay, Next, gathering the hair into backside and comb. There are no tangles. Okay. I am twisted in the rolls 4. If you want to add more. Okay. Okay. Gather the backside of hair and braid a normal. Okay, make a normal braid. That means 1 into divided by 3 parts. Okay, this is the normal braid. Okay, we are all know that normal braid. Okay, that's it. Okay, now take a rubber band and fix it at the end of your hair. Stretch the braid. It will give thickness of your hair. Okay, this is the final look of party wear hairstyle. Okay. Okay, I added these bangles. These are plastic bangles from local market. Okay, now the look is finished. Okay, if you are like it, please subscribe my channel and like, share, comment. Bye.